Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox morning beetroot juice. Now, this is the perfect breakfast drink and something that should definitely be tried on empty stomach. For this, we will take one large beetroot, nicely wash and cut. We add this to the mixer jar. To add on to the taste factor, I cut a few carrots, preferably Ooty carrots, and then add this here. I also add some ginger owing to it being winter now and it helps digestion. Also add a few cilantro leaves or coriander leaves as they call it, and then add water enough to submerge all of these vegetables completely. Ensure that the coriander leaf is nicely washed and cleaned before adding it to the juice. Now we are going to grind this completely and we'll add this to the sieve to remove all the hard particles from the juice. And then we add some lemon juice to add a tangy taste. We top this up with some salt and also add some pepper. We also add some honey, which is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Now our 100% detox drink is ready to be had. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.